Hello students, this is Miss Mills. I hope you are feeling confident and ready for this word study assessment. You are currently watching the video for Syllables and Affixes Sort 41 Word Study Assessment. So make sure you're on the right video. As always, first things first, set up your page either on paper or on a Google Sheet with the headings as you see them on my screen. You should have a place for your name. You should make a note that there are 26 words, so at the end you can count to make sure you've got them all. And then our heading categories. CK ending, as in shock. Now be careful, this little dash here is important because it means that these are the words that end in CK, as in shock. Whereas this heading, CK, has the CK in the middle of the word, like chicken. Again, the little dash, IC, words that end in IC, as in magic. And then words that end in X, as in relax. And then, of course, the oddball category. Once you have that set up, you can continue this video, and I will read the words, say them in a sentence, and then repeat the words so you have a chance to put them in the right category and spell them as best you can. Word number 1, rocket. It was amazing to see the rocket launch in person. Rocket. Number 2, fabric. I went to the store and picked out a beautiful soft fabric for my sewing project. Fabric. 3, metric. Scientists prefer to use the metric system. Metric. 4, complex. I was really stumped by the complex problem my teacher posed the other day. Complex. Number 5, nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Nickel. 6, topic. What is your favorite topic to learn about in science? Topic. 7, electric. I like to learn about electric energy. Electric. Number 8, struck. I was disappointed when my favorite player struck out in baseball. Struck. 9, racetrack. The horses zoomed around the racetrack, so they were almost just blurs. Racetrack. 10, index. An index is really helpful if you are looking for information on a specific topic. Index. 11, plastic. I know I shouldn't use so much plastic, but it's so convenient. Plastic. Number 12, quick. You can go get a drink if you are back nice and quick. Quick. Number 13, shoebox. We made circuit houses out in a shoebox. Shoebox. 14 is jacket. It's going to be a little colder tomorrow, so make sure to bring your jacket. Jacket. 15, attack. My dog's not mean, but sometimes he will attack if he thinks I'm being threatened. Attack. 16, traffic. The traffic in Chicago was crazy. It took us 5 hours to get through the city. Traffic. 17, unlock. Unlock this door right now. Unlock. 18, ticket. Don't lose your ticket. We'll have to show it to the conductor when he comes by. Ticket. 19, hammock. I love sleeping outside in a hammock. Hammock. Number 20, stomach. I had a stomach ache after eating 10 bowls of ice cream. Stomach. 21, buckle. Buckle your seatbelt before we begin the road trip. Buckle. 22, picnic. There's nothing better than a picnic on a warm summer day. Picnic. 23 is perplex. I didn't mean to perplex you with all the information, but it's not an easy question. Perplex. 24, pickle. Could I have an extra pickle with my sandwich? Pickle. 25, specific. I don't like any specific kinds of pickle. I like them all. Specific. Number 26, pocket. I thought I lost my keys, but they were really just in my pocket. Pocket. All right, that was the last word. Before you turn in your word study assessment, please count to make sure you have all 26 words accounted for. If you don't, go back and listen through the video to see what you may have missed. Have a great rest of your day.